I'm letting you in a secret. For those who are wondering how I am able to keep my positive outlook in life as evidence through the several productive things I've been doing in and out of work, let me unravel this ultimate skill that I was able to master just started last month, March. It's called compartmentalization. So let's start with its definition. Compartmentalization is actually a defense mechanism in which people mentally separate thoughts, emotions, or experiences to avoid the discomfort of contradiction. That uncomfortable state is actually called cognitive dissonance. And it's that one thing that humans try to avoid so as not to lead to overthinking, anxiety, or even depression. Now, how it's being applied in your everyday life, if you may ask. Compartmentalization can definitely be part of everyday experiences, especially in situations when life can benefit from a little separation. Yes, you heard it right. There's a silver lining with separation. Another question: how we compartmentalize work? Our jobs, particularly high stress or high pressure positions like mine. For those who do not know yet, I am actually at a senior managerial level supporting the IT function of a multinational tobacco manufacturing company. And I've been using compartmentalization to set boundaries so that I can function well at work and enjoy time away from the office. The minute I stepped in the grounds of Ores Central Tower in BGC Taguig, so now you know where I work, I immediately activate that professional box. And the minute I ride the Grab going home, I already switch to a different compartment. So basically that's the key, guys. Imagine your several personas as different boxes or compartments. Who you are at work, who you are as a son or daughter, who you are as a friend, as a lover, and now, in my case, I guess, as a public figure. And at any specified time, the rule is that you can only activate one and only one compartment at any given point in time. Then you set your full focus on that single box. And you'll be amazed on how productive your life can be. You'll start noticing how time goes by slowly and you're able to accomplish a lot of things. I've shared this ultimate skill of compartmentalization to my closest friends, to my work colleagues, because I personally experienced its benefits. And it has been my advocate to pass it along to other people, which I am doing now as I share it with you and whoever is watching this from any place in the world. Compartmentalization, you set your full focus, take control of your life since nobody else will. You'll definitely enjoy life more and be empowered to what the future lies ahead. Please use this technique and share with me over the comment section how this helped you become the best version of yourself. Happy talks Ciao!